Where you at, TNT gang?
Perfect.
Ooh. Where you at, TNT gang? Where you at?
Go.
Let me hear you say it.
Go. Watch your mouth.
Where you at? Hey, what's happening, y'all? It's your boy Tony B back again on TNT Garage. Today is Throwback Thursday. Like always, I'ma hit y'all with some heat on Thursday, man, on some old videos that I got in my archive, man. Hopefully you guys like this one. This is gonna be a banger right here, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a little finessing that y'all can do to your vehicles. You get to restore your headlights with a little toothpaste, man. I know if you brush your teeth, you got some toothpaste and a toothbrush. But hey, this is gonna be a little quick and easy one right here, y'all. Hopefully y'all oh my God. Hopefully you guys like it. If you do, hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys, enjoy the video. I know I'm not the only one that's come outside and looked at those ugly oxidized and yellow headlights and thought it would cost a fortune to restore them or replace them.
Oh my God.
But in this video, I'm gonna show you my secret on how to restore your headlights for free. $0.
You're not serious.
$0 dinero. And if you wanna know my secret, stay tuned. Yo, what's good, guys? What's up? What's happening? Konnichiwa, Ohio.
What?
Oh! No, what's up, guys? Hey, it's your boy Tony B, and you're watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe because, hey, your boy be bringing some heat, man. This is the most lit automotive YouTube channel on YouTube. Hey, you can ask around. This is where it's at. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Also, link up with your boy on their social media platforms. I have Instagram, I have Twitter, and I have a Facebook page. Please look me up, link up with your boy, and stay connected with me. I post on there pretty much every other day. So check them out, they'll be in the description. All right, from that quick intro, you guys see, hey, I'm gonna give y'all my secret on how to restore headlights that are oxidized, ugly, and yellow. First thing first, this is gonna cost you no money. But with that being said, this is not the best way to do it. This is a way that you can do it to get by. Because I do have a way that you can do it to permanently restore your headlights, but this is the way I'm gonna show you in this video how to do it for nothing. $0, free. And I know you guys love free if you like me. All right, guys, everything in this video you should already have at your house. Unless you some nasty guy that stay in a cave somewhere.
I can still hear them taunting him. Silly rabbit, tricks are for kids.
But, you know, I don't think you'd be watching my video if you were that nasty. The reason why I say this costs $0 is because all you need is toothpaste. If you don't have any toothpaste, man, you one nasty joker. All right, guys, I got my toothpaste. And what I like to make sure I do is I get paste instead of gel. This has baking soda in it and whitening agents in there, and that's gonna help. As you can see, this light isn't that bad. It's oxidized because you can hear it. You can when you rub your hand over it, you can hear all the rough spots on there and the oxidation building up on there. This one's not that This one's not that bad, but I'm gonna show you the before and after. I'm gonna tape it up and you guys can see how this toothpaste, something that you should have already in your house, can make your headlights look a lot better. So let's get to it. All right, guys, the first thing I wanna do is get me a bucket of water, get me a little wash mitt, to wash all the bugs and all the old residue off the headlights. All right, now that we've got them all taped up and cleaned up, what you want to do, you want to get your toothpaste, put some on your finger or a paper towel or something like that. I just go ahead and put it on there with my finger. It's not gonna hurt. It's nothing but toothpaste. Like I said, the white paste is the best one to use. It's a little gritty. It has baking soda in it. And if it doesn't have baking soda in it, you can add baking soda to give it some abrasiveness so it can go ahead and knock this oxidation off the headlight. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on this paper towel and wipe it down with the paper towel because it has a little bit more abrasiveness on it. The more abrasiveness it is, the better it's gonna get this oxidation off. Hey guys, I'm gonna give you one more tip. What you can do, you can get your kid's toothbrush. Oh yeah, this is perfect. I can use this for my video. He'll never know.
Dad, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm just using your toothbrush for a minute for my video.
No, you can't use it!
Why? I'll bring it back?
Because nobody uses toothbrushes without their permission.
Well, I'm your dad. Peace. Just make sure they don't catch you, and you can rub in the toothpaste real good so it can make it look real shiny and nice. Just make sure you wipe this off and rinse it off before you put it back so they can brush their teeth in the morning. All right, another tip I want to give you is you get you some mouthwash. When you get the mouthwash, you go ahead and open it. Nah, I'm just playing. We ain't using no mouthwash. This is just a meme, y'all. Hey, you don't use mouthwash on here. But what you do, you just do. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our mitt and we're gonna wipe off the toothpaste. Oh man, wow. It's already feeling smooth. With not that many coats of toothpaste, man, this is cool. This is awesome. A free headlight restoration. Now that we've got the toothpaste off and cleaned it as best we can, you've done how many coats you want to do. I did too, just to make sure, I got it smooth as I can get it. But now, your boy Tony B, I got to go the extra mile now. I got to do a little bit of extra thing to it, man. I got to make that thing shine. So I got some wax. What this is going to do is going to give it a protective coating to where it doesn't oxidize as quick and it doesn't yellow as quick. So just put this on, even though this is not free. If you don't have any of this, it's $6, but you don't have to use it. You're just going to have to do your headlights a lot more often. All right, guys, with 2 coats of toothpaste and 1 coat of wax, let's see how this thing turned out. Hey, these headlights weren't that bad, but hey, that's a big difference. Hold on, let me pick y'all up and show y'all. Look at that difference, y'all. Let me zoom back a little bit. Man, you can see on this side is real oxidized. What is oxidized? Oxidated. And this side is super smooth and shiny, cuz. That's what I'm talking about. I done dropped some heat here, cuz. I done gave y'all some knowledge for the day, man. Y'all need to give me the thumbs up for this, bro. Look at that. With toothpaste and a little bit of wax. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the headlights and I'm gonna show y'all the end product. That looks good, man. You can't lie. You know your boy be bringing that heat, man. So y'all need to hit that thumbs up button, man. If we hit 100 likes, I will drop my permanent restoration headlight video. I have a technique that you can restore your headlights even better than this, and it will be permanent. This right here, it'll last a good amount of time, but after a while, the wax is gonna come off and it's gonna get back oxidized. But if we hit 100 likes, 100, if we hit 100 likes, I'm gonna drop my permanent restoration headlight video. So, hey, I know you guys can do it. Hit that like button, man. You know your boy be dropping that heat. So, hey, it ain't gonna be hard to hit that like button. And also, I wanna challenge you guys, man. I want you guys to get your toothpaste, get your toothbrushes, and, you know, go to work. Go to work on them headlights, man. And what I want you to do, I want you to take a picture of it, DM me on Instagram or Twitter, one or the other, and I will feature you in my next video. I'll put your social media down there, I'll put your YouTube, whatever. All right, guys, the question of the day is really not a question. I just want to ask you guys what you guys think of this video. Do you guys like these cheap tips that I can give you guys to where you can, you know, mod up your car, make your car look better, or you don't like it? Just let me know down there in the comment section. Spam it in the comment section, man. The question of the day, do y'all like this video? Also, don't forget the Patreon page, man. We got some awesome gifts and rewards for my patrons, man. You got different tiers to where, you know, you get rewards, and plus, you know, you get to support your boy and support the channel. You know what I'm saying? It takes money to make these videos, so go and support your boy. Well, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you do, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and comment. All right, guys, peace.